Hello, everyone. You're welcome to new week. It's another week for us to take advantage of the market and also make some pips. All right. You all know what I usually do on this channel, dropping educational content. So, on this week, I'll be also giving us some outlooks on few pairs like I did the last week. So quickly, I will make this brief. Let's go to the chart. First, I'll be going to gold. All right, on gold, the people on the general channel. If you're not on the general channel, click the link on the description to join the general channel on Telegram. I sent in analysis expecting gold to start dropping somewhere around here, but unfortunately it's pushing up, and I was kind of because it's Monday, so I am not expecting much from the market today. So basically I will be trading from tomorrow. So what God is kind of trying to do is a little pullback. This pullback is not going much because I've seen many analysis, people are targeting here, and here. Even some persons are expecting gold to kind of move to this upper side, expecting it to take out this high. So for me, first of all, let me remove this arrow so as to see the candle clearly. All right, let's go to higher time frame. So it's new week, we have to look at the weekly time frame because it's new week. All right, so if you check here, you see that when the market opens, market move way down 50% of the previous rejection of the last week. So I think that's one of the reasons why currently now is pushing up. So like I always tell my mentees, when the market pull back 50 to 60% of the previous candle or rejection, if you're on that market, you should be taking your profit. So let's say, for example, you are selling at the price drop up to 50% of this rejection, you should be taking your profit. All right, you should be taking your profit, because most times when you move up to that percent, it will reverse and start going to the other side. So now currently it's likely to push up again to a certain level, but looking at here, I'm seeing our 2507.34 is exposed, but we are not going to conclude yet because it's currently at a level also. If you check here, you will see that it's currently at the closure of this past week level. So quickly now, let's go down to daily. Yeah, here on daily, we'll see how the market is moving, and it's currently still inside the range. The price is currently still inside the range here. Price has not yet broken out from this range, so there's possibility to come back to 2507.34 before dropping again. Okay, there's possibility it will do that, but currently this market is also going to range, and this week we have a CPI, so I think this market will also continue ranging again, like the way it did last week before the day of NFP. So likely going to keep ranging again till the day of CPI, when it will likely have to take a direction, or maybe might not take any direction as well. So here on daily, it's kind of pushing up to 2507.34, and looking at the candle, it's likely going to close a bullish rejection. All right, so there are some kind of formation of candlesticks you will see. You will likely take advantage of it. Depends on where the candlestick close. For example, if you check this candle here, you see that it's a rejection candle, hammer candle, because price move up to this point, then come back here and hit create this rejection. So investors will be expecting it to do what? To start pushing to the upside. So it depends where the market close. If you check, you see that the price close at a resistance. What happened? The next candle push up a little bit inside these points, inside this zone, and drop. All right. So I told us about wick and body, and wick and body is what we use in backing out that zone. So if you have not, check out my previous video on wick and body, you will see it. So now this is a daily. All right, so we'll go down to H4. Let's see what we have on H4. But currently this price might likely hit 2507.34 or might not hit 25.74 because I am anticipating, I'm looking at this point here at which the open of this previous day candle. Let me show you guys this previous day candle. So if price close above it, that means 2507.34. but in all, we'll be expecting the market to keep on ranging like it did last week, NFP week, because we have CPI. So during the day of CPI, the market will likely choose the direction, and I believe any direction the market choose during the CPI or after CPI, maybe that will be the main direction of good till possibly last week of this month or ending of this month. So currently now we are still looking at it as something that will come up a little bit then before another drop. So currently now we have lots of orders resting below and above these levels. This level we have orders resting, so now price will likely have to take out the ones that are much, and looking at it, the one above is much, but that level above there is very, very strong level. So price revisiting it might just have a spike above it, then drop. That if at all the price will revisit it. If price did not revisit it, then this one down here is where the market will come from. All right, so now quickly let's go down to H4 and see what we have on H4. Here on H4, we have a kind of bullish momentum because our correct candle has little or no wick at the bottom. So we'll be seeing it pushing up a little bit, but I'm not expecting much today because it's Monday. So anyone on this buy will also be making profit though, but I'm not expecting much today because Monday's market kind of have low volatility, so I'm not expecting much. So now here is a H4. As you can see, the price is currently making a pullback. What pullback are we expecting here? We're expecting a pullback of this bearish candle that dropped here. All right, we're expecting a pullback of this bearish candle that dropped here. So that is why I said we are not to be expecting much. So if the pullback move, let's say 50% of this bearish candle, we should be expecting something like this. So but now let's look at it. Should we say that the price has moved 50% of this? Likely price is let's say 45% of it. 50% of it should be here, somewhere around here. Should be 50% of this bearish candle before they drop. All right, so I'm expecting it, if it push up a little bit, that's 50% of this bearish candle, then it will drop. I know we have a bullish momentum here because of little or no wick at this current candle. So that is for today. All right, for today we are going to close a bullish body. All right, for today we are going to close a bullish body. Even here on daily it's going to close a bullish body. So on H1 we'll see how it's pushing up. So it took out this high that I marked out here when I sent in the analysis, expected it to drop from here. So it took out the high and I wasn't surprised seeing it taking out the high because it already created this. Then while returning, it just kind of returning with what a little or no weak candle here. That this candle is what trigger the momentum for it to take out the high. Now if you check now, you see that it took it out with what a strong momentum. So you can see it took it out with a strong momentum because the price was kind of approaching it, giving us some kind of rejection. Then finally it took it out with what a strong momentum, as you can see here also on 30 minutes. It took it out with a strong bullish what candle. So currently on gold, we will sit on our hands and watch how today close. So how today close will tell us what we should be expecting tomorrow. And tomorrow, if today closes bullish, doesn't mean that tomorrow we'll just start buying. Okay, so it depends on what we will have during London session. So after London session, then by New York, we will know what the decision we are going to make. So London will give us what decision to make during New York session. So as it stands now, we are to do what? Watch how today close. That is why I didn't even bother to drop signals both on VIP and general channel. So I just want to watch every pair because after NFP, markets usually make some kind of correction, but sometimes the corrections happens midweek, sometimes it happens on Mondays. All right, so I was not expecting this correction to happen today, which is this pullback. I was thinking that maybe it will happen like tomorrow or next, but unfortunately it's currently happening today. That was why I sent in the previous analysis I sent, expecting it to drop from this at 2500, but unfortunately the price took it out. All right, so now I've seen what you have on gold. That is it on gold. So quickly let's look at another pair here, which is let's look at USD CHF. All right, quickly on USD CHF, let's go to weekly. On our last week, we have this USD CHF, expecting it to kind of keep pushing to the upside. Rather, it dropped to this point and took our stop losses out. So it just pierced below the support level, then took our stop loss and started going to the upside. And during the day of NFP, there was a spike on it. If you check on 30 minutes, you see we have this spike here, as you can see, and this was the spike that took our stop loss. Then price later would start pushing to the upside. So I know that the market will also push to the upside. So after the spike, I still getting on the buy, which I sent into the general channel when I took the buy. So I hold it over the weekend. So currently now it's pushing up. So as it stands now, I'm still bullish on USD CHF. So I'm still expecting it to keep on pushing to the upside. I'm still expecting it to keep on pushing to the upside. Yeah, so let me readjust my arrow. I'm still expecting it to keep on pushing to the upside. So let's screenshot ourselves for later. All right, so currently USD CHF is what very bullish. So let's go to daily. We have looked at weekly, then today is daily, and daily, looking at it, the current candle is going to close a bullish body. All right, the current candle is going to close what a bullish body. So by tomorrow we should be looking for entries to add to our buys, for those of you that took the buy with me when I posted it. So we'll be looking for entries to add to our buys. So there's not much volatility in the market today, as it is Monday. Mondays are kind of slow. So let's look at 1 hour. 1 hour, you can see the moves are very slow, though the market is moving though, but it's moving slowly. There's not much volatility today. So by tomorrow you should be looking for entries to buy this USD CHF. So quickly, the last one here on today is AUD USD. AUD USD have been dropping since the day I make an outlook on it. It it has been dropping. Congratulations to those who took advantage of it. As you can see here on weekly, we are still bearish. So and on daily, we are still bearish. So the market made a pullback. As you can see, it made a pullback to this point. When it dropped, it made a pullback, then continue to the downside. So I'm still holding my sell on AUD USD because I'm expecting it to hit to this point of 63,488. So I'm still holding my AUD USD. So congratulations to those who are on this trade. All right, we're on this trade, so congratulations. So as you can see, you see that the market is kind of slow today, like I said, but we are still bearish on this market, so we're still expecting it to keep on dropping. All right, we're still expecting it to keep on dropping, guys. So that is it. You see a loss of there is less volatility. As you can see, how the candles are moving. So by the end of today, we'll see how daily close. Then tomorrow we should know what you should be expecting. So guys, that is all I have for you guys today. So do well to subscribe, share, comment what you would like me to add to my videos, and if there is any pair that you would like me to add to my watch list. So as anytime I'm making an outlook, I will also look out for the pair for you. Just comment it. Also, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification so as you will not miss any updates I will drop on this channel. So do have a blissful and profitable week, and also make sure that you apply risk and money management on your trades this week. So on Wednesday is CPI, so we'll also be analyzing ahead of CPI what you should be expecting also. Alright guys, see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.